Well, you're not going to believe this, but you got to because I'm saying it. Last month, we just hit 6K subscribers. Now, we have over 7,000 subscribers. I don't know what's going on. Something you guys are doing is you're doing it. You're doing it. This is just my chance, as I promised, to give away back to you folks. So, 7,000 subscribers, we're giving away 7 things. Now, I feel like the merchandise stuff is kind of getting old. So here's what I want to do. Waffles is chewing on a plastic bag. We're getting pretty close to 10K. Now listen, I thought once I hit 1,000 subscribers, man, I made it. That's it. I peaked out. There's no way more than 1,000 folks are going to subscribe and hang out in the shop with me, but I was wrong. You guys are just suckers for punishment, I guess. Maybe you got some screws loose, I don't know. Maybe that's why you like hanging out with me. But I tell you, looking back over the years, getting to this point, we've done some fun stuff. We've worked on some pretty fun bikes. I love taking old bikes and getting them back on the road for somebody to enjoy, reviving them, changing them, doing things on the cheap. And maybe you like that too. Maybe that's why you're here. And it's just been a fun time, a great ride. And we're creeping up on 10K. I'm going to find a way to give a bike away. That's just what I'm determined to do that. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to try our best to do it, if I can afford to do that. But at this 7K giveaway, as I promised, I'm going to give away 7 things. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give away 6 merchandise things. That's hats, patches, shirts. So anybody can win those. For the 7th thing, I'm going to make it a little special. I'm actually in the middle of building trophies for our live bike show that's coming up this Sunday. And so what I want to do is build a nice little plaque celebrating our 7,000 subscriber milestone. And so whoever wins that, you can hang it up in your shop, in your garage, hang it up above the toilet in your bathroom, above the headboard in your bed. I don't know what you're going to do with it. Maybe just put it in a drawer. It's free to you, free to ship to you, no cost to you, just a way to say thank you. Now, if you want in on that plaque, so if you want in on the 6 merchandise giveaways, that's very simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and you're entered in. That's it. Now, if you want to be entered in to win the plaque that I'm going to make for our 7K milestone, then what you need to do is email me at this email right here. Put 7K giveaway plaque or whatever you want to put on it. Make sure you put your YouTube username in there so that I have a way of knowing that email address goes to that username. Then if you win, I'll reach out to you via that same email address, and then you can send me your name and address where to ship it to. Or if it's going to somebody else you love or hate, I don't know, we can ship it to them too. So the giveaway starts right now on the merchandise stuff. It's free. Just comment below. It starts on this date today and goes to this date somewhere over here. That's when it ends. Probably about a week and a half's time. Give you plenty of time to comment, to enter in on the 6 things of merchandise, and plenty of time to email me if you want to be entered in on that plaque that I'm building for this celebration. So I can't thank you enough. It's been an amazing journey. I love having you hang out in the shop with me. I love learning new things, having challenges every day. You know, I've worked a lot of jobs in my past. The jobs I hated the most, because I come from a small country town, and it's factory jobs. That was the pinnacle of what you could do, factory jobs. I hated them because I had to do the same thing every day of my life. Some people are fine with that. They love it. They don't want to think. They just want to come in, do this same thing, clock out, get a paycheck. I get that. I'm not wired like that. I have to have challenges. I have to learn. I have to make errors and corrections. My mind's wired like that. Let me show you before you go some projects we got coming up, what we're filming and shooting on and working on. On the lift at the moment is this beautiful 2009 Street Glide. And it came in, this is a new customer I was referred to by a previous customer. And she brought her bike in and it's leaking from behind the primary. Could be one of two things. Could be that transmission shaft seal. Could be the shifter shaft seal. Usually when you go in there to replace one, you just go ahead and replace both. So it really doesn't matter which one it is. You usually get the kit to do both. And one of those while you're in theirs, let's go ahead and replace that race bearing and the race itself. One of those good things. And it's a good time to check your belt if you need to change your belt, if it's dry rotted or cracked or not nice and round anymore on teeth, or has maybe a nick in it, missing tooth in it. That's the time to change it, because this whole outer and inner primary comes off. So I'm currently starting to film on that. You'll see a 2006 GSXR Suzuki 600 back there. I'm not filming that. I did a motor swap on that, fork rebuilds, new sprockets, new tires. I just needed to get that in and get it going, because a motor swap, if we were to film that on a bike like that, it could take me 2 months to do. Our shovel head is coming along so well, so good. I'm really excited about it. Those bars feel perfect. The floorboards are nice and spread out for my wide legs. The shifter is right there where I wanted it. The foot clutch feels good. It's coming along really, really well. Part 4, we're going to be finishing up that starter button, and I got a really good button. Let me show you. So I went to the parts store and got that nice chrome topped button. And the thing I like about these is they're real smooth on top, easy to push, but also there's no connectors that you have to crimp and then connect. So you just stick the wire, the bare wire in there, and twist these down and you're good to go. I really like these. O'Reilly's didn't have one in stock, and I didn't seem to carry one, so I had to go to the advanced place and get this. There's the part number right there. It's a 84822, and these are really good. 8 amps is more than you need, because remember, we're just running to the relay. This is not actually starting or cranking the bike. You would need a big power switch for that or something. This just runs to the relay, activates the relay. That's why you have a relay, so you don't have a bunch of juice going through things like this. So we're going to be putting that on. I'm still waiting on a lead on springers that's affordable, and exhaust pipes that I like and that are also affordable. The things I've been finding, handmade or custom made exhaust pipes for these are $1,000, and I'm not going to spend that. Then we got to do our side panels as well, and I got some ideas on that you folks recommended, so I think it's going to turn out pretty good. And then this bike's ready to ride. I mean, it's ready for somebody to enjoy. If you wanted to keep those forks on it, just enjoy it. Have at it. If you want to keep those pipes on there, enjoy it. Have at it. And I've got parts off of it if you want to purchase those. I might change that mirror out in the next video as well. Just a more square, older, vintage mirror. I like those better, and then you can see better than those little, 90s style. Have you ever seen those little teardrop mirrors? They look like that, and you can't see nothing out of those, but they look cool. No, they don't. Don't do that. Take those off if you got them. Be safe. I say that as we got a foot clutch and a jockey shift. But anyways, and who's in the house? Then, after this, we got this Honda 754. We got to get back on the lift. We're going to do a new starter clutch on it, replacing that, doing some wiring for the, I believe, the headlight or maybe the turn signals. We're going to be pulling the 4 inline carbs off, checking the jets on those, making sure they're the right size, because I believe they might not be, and then sinking the carbs back on that as well. And this gentleman has been very, very patient with me. I appreciate his patience, because I'm a one-man show in here, and it's hard to get on these bikes in and out really quick, because I'm all by myself. So it takes a while, and he's been very good to me, and I really appreciate that. Remember, the giveaway for the 7K subscribers starts today at this date and ends on this date. For the plaque, email me at this email right here, and that'll enter you in. Don't forget to include your YouTube username in that email so I can add you into that spinny wheel thing. So thank you folks again so much for what you do and how you bless me and my family. And speaking of family, my daughter Decca come out here and she wants to tell you something very special.
Tell Mom and Nan that I said hi.
How precious is that?